If you want to break free from everyday's mundane cooking, then try something restaurant style, like today's recipe. Hi, I'm Shruti and welcome to Karmakar's Kitchen. Today we are making Shahi Paneer. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And also, don't forget to like, share and comment. To all my existing friends and new friends, thank you so much for your love and support. So let's get started.
To begin with, heat up a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil into it and make it nice and hot. And start adding whole spices like bay leaf, 1 piece broken in half, 1 star anise, 4 to 5 pods of green cardamom, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 pieces of cloves, 10 to 12 pieces of black peppercorns, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, this is optional. Saute it for 10 seconds on medium flame. Now start adding other ingredients like roughly chopped onions. Here I have taken 1 large onion, very large onion. You can add up to 2 medium-sized onions. Next goes in 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it really well and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next goes in the tomatoes. Here I have used 2 small sized tomatoes. Next add some powdered spices like turmeric powder half teaspoon, Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Now combine everything very nicely. Add salt to taste and mix again. Next I'm gonna add 2 green chilies broken in half. The idea is to cook this until the onions and tomatoes are mushy and run the whole thing into a grinder to get a fine paste. It's time to add some water, so I'm adding little more than a cup over here. Give it a good stir and then cover and cook for 20 to 30 minutes on medium to low flame. After 20 to 30 minutes, remove cover. Onions and tomatoes are nice and mushy. Now pull out the whole spices, at least the big ones like bay leaves and black cardamoms. You can leave the peppercorns and cloves. Let the mixture cool down completely before grinding it into a paste. Once the mixture cools down completely, transfer the whole thing into a mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste. Once the paste is ready, run it through a strainer to get a finer paste. Sieving the paste or puree ensures that the puree is smooth and silky. With this, our Shahi Paneer gravy is done and ready. Let's move on to heating a pan, and into this goes 1 tablespoon of ghee. Alternatively, you can use oil or butter. Into this goes 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now Shahi Paneer is something which is mild to taste. Therefore, you can replace red chili with Kashmiri red chili powder to get a nice red orangish color. Now transfer the puree into the pan and mix it really well. It's not shahi until you add cashews and cream, and therefore I'm gonna add cashew paste, also known as kaju paste, about 1.5 teaspoon. Adding a generous amount of fresh cream, about 3 teaspoons. With this goes yogurt, about 1.5 teaspoons. I'm using Greek yogurt here for its thick and creamy texture. You can use any yogurt that's easily available. Add in some water from the same bowl used for the puree and mix it very nicely. Water is added to adjust the consistency. It depends on the requirement of the gravy. Next I'm adding some salt to taste, but be careful while adding salt because we previously have added salt while sauteing onions and tomatoes. Next goes in a very crucial ingredient, which is dry fenugreek leaves, also known as kasuri methi, the game changer of any North Indian dish, I believe. Add just a handful and mix it really well. Although it's optional, yet I would like to add a little bit of sugar to balance the taste. Next ingredient is the star of the dish, which is paneer, Indian cottage cheese, cut in cube size. This is about 250 grams of paneer. Mix gently, you don't want to break the paneer. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, then cover and turn off the flame. Give it a standing time of another 2 minutes before serving. The rich and creamy Shahi Paneer is ready to serve. Once it goes to the table, add a generous spoonful of fresh cream. Serve Shahi Paneer with naan or lacha paratha.
I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment and share my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you next week with a new recipe video. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.